Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are baby lookbook mockup. You can easily download from our website by GFX here in this article. You can download from here, and this is free. There are no password on this template. These are basically windows. You need to extract this, and you will get this folder. And here this is manual, and this is composition, PSD format, and this is model image. You just open this. And here you can add your own image here of your own dress, your own baby, and this is completely customizable, and so on. These are others. So here scene creator, and check this, same thing in PSD format. You can see these different gradients. So here, and these are others. This is basically consists of images, table, distresses, and more. These are Xmas instras. You can see this. Here again, it is completely customizable. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.